We will make an account in the testnet and in the mainnet of Hedera network. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a Hedera Developer Portal testnet account, create a HashPack Wallet, transfer Hbar. Creating a testnet account on Hedera Developer Portal. In this video, as well as the subsequent videos, we'll be needing Hedera testnet tokens. We'll be interacting with the Hedera testnet a lot. Recall that transactions with the network require tokens to pay for gas fees. In other blockchain networks, we typically get testnet tokens via a faucet. However, in Hedera, instead of using a faucet, we create a testnet account on the Hedera Developer Portal. Every 24 hours, your testnet account will have its balance topped up with 10,000 testnet Hbar tokens. Follow these steps to create a testnet account. Step 1. Head to the Hedera Developer Portal. Step 2. Sign up for an account. After you set up your profile, you'll be redirected to the home screen. Press on Create Account. You should get an output similar to, and as simple as that, we've created an ECDSA based testnet account on the Hedera Developer Portal. However, the HashPack Wallet, which we'll be using in the next step, as well as the subsequent videos, only supports ED25519 based accounts. Thus, you'll need to press on the Create ED25519 account button to generate an ED25519 based account. Once that's done, your screen should look similar to creating a wallet using HashPack. This time, let's use the HashPack Wallet to do so. Follow the steps below to create a wallet using HashPack. Head to the download page of HashPack. As a browser extension, HashPack currently only supports Google Chrome. If you're a Google Chrome user, then you can just press on the install on Chrome and have it installed. Otherwise, you can proceed with the launch web app for the browser version of HashPack. Once HashPack is open, press on the create a new wallet and enter a password of your choice. Tick the testnet account checkbox and press on advanced wallet creation. Make sure to store your seed phrase in a secure location. On the next screen, fill up the phrase verification check. Lastly, give your wallet a name of your choice and press on create wallet. You'll be prompted again to ensure that you have saved your seed phrase in a secure location. Tick the checkbox and press on let's go. And we're done creating our second wallet. At this point, your screen should look similar to this. You should see 100 Hbar tokens in your wallet. These tokens are airdropped into your wallet at the point of wallet creation. This only applies for testnet accounts. Real accounts do not get free Hbar. Make sure that there's the pink border along the top of your wallet that says you are currently using testnet. If you don't see the pink border, it's most likely that you have accidentally created a mainnet wallet instead. Importing Hedera Developer Portal testnet account. In HashPack, besides creating a new account, we can also import an existing account. We'll be importing our testnet account that we created earlier into our HashPack wallet. Follow these steps to import your Hedera Developer Portal testnet account into your HashPack wallet. Step 1. In HashPack, press on the menu icon and press on the Add Account. Step 2. On the next screen, tick the testnet account checkbox and press on I already have a wallet, followed by the import private key. Step 3. Open up your Hedera Developer Portal tab, copy the ED25519 DER encoded private key and paste it into the field in the current HashPack window. Give this wallet the nickname of Hedera Dev Portal so that we can easily differentiate between the two accounts. After the window refreshes, you should see that your Hedera Developer Portal account has been imported into the HashPack. We can tell by looking at the account ID under the wallet's name, and the balance should now be 10,000 Hbar. Transferring Hbar tokens. Let's do one last task before we end this video. Let's transfer some Hbar tokens between our two accounts. The HashPack wallet is capable of storing multiple accounts. To view this, press on the menu icon and press on switch account. In the drop down menu, you should be able to see that there are two wallets available. For your final task, you need to transfer 400 Hbar from your Hedera Developer Portal wallet to your other wallet. These are the steps required to complete the task. Step 1. In HashPack, change to the wallet created in the HashPack wallet. Copy its account ID. It does not matter whether you copy the address with or without the checksum. Once you've copied the account ID, switch the account back to the Hedera Developer Portal. Step number 3. Press send and paste the account ID into the field. Input 400 into the Hbar field. Step number 4. Confirm and send the transaction. After a few seconds, HashPack will refresh and you'll see that the Hbar balance of the Hedera Developer Portal wallet has been decreased by the amount you transferred, and a little more due to paying gas fees. If you change the current wallet to the other wallet, you'll see that its balance is now 500. To recap, the last few steps, we just used the HashPack GUI to create and import accounts as well as transfer tokens from one account to another. In case you're wondering what a checksum is, It's a feature to help improve the security and accuracy of transactions on the network by helping to prevent manual data entry mistakes and address similar errors. The added letters are completely optional. The number-only addresses still work without added checksum. In the next quest, we'll explore how we can do the same thing. Create an account and transfer Hbar between accounts, but this time programmatically instead of using a GUI. By programmatically, we mean creating a script and sending off API calls to the Hedera network, achieving whatever we just did but using code instead of a GUI. Let's go through a quick summary of the points covered here. A Hedera account is a unique entity in the Hedera network that can hold tokens. The Hedera Developer portal is used by developers to create testnet accounts. Testnet accounts created by the portal are given 10,000 Hbar every 24 hours. HashPack Wallet can be used to create and import accounts, as well as transfer tokens from one account to another. I hope this video has been helpful in getting you started with programming on Hedera Hashgraph. If you have any further questions, you can contact me through x.com or in the comments below. Thank you for watching.